going to share a screen with you. Okay. These are the questions we left. Up to question number 10 we have done.
Yeah.
Yeah? Now from the question number 11 we have to discuss. Shall we start now?
Okay.
Okay. Now this is question number 11. The cost of cultivating a rectangular field at rupees 35 per square meter is what? That means
Okay.
cost of cultivating the field at rupees 35 per square meter is equal to rupees 71442. So now from here, perimeter of the field. You can find the perimeter of the field by dividing the cost with cost per square meter.
Actually,
Yeah,
ma'am,
listen. This is the
it's
square meter.
area.
So this is the area. Okay?
Because
Listen,
cultivating, you don't cultivate the
listen.
boundary.
Yeah, we don't cultivate the boundary. The cost per square meter. Clear? So that is 71400 over 35. Now we have to divide this. This is the perimeter. Now if the width of the field is 40 meters, now for example this is our rectangular field and its breadth is 40 meters and we have to find its length. So what is the area of the field?
So, area, just working this thing out, 240 m square.
This is equal to this one because this is the area of field and here the area of field is length into breadth. So we write 714. We can show that. Okay, you can see right over there. So this is 40 and length of the field will be L. Is equal to 7140035. After that, we transpose it 40 goes into the denominator. Clear? Now we simply cut it. 0 and 0 get cut. Now we might divide by 7. 7 under 7, 7 to the 14.
Yes.
7 under 7, 7 to the 14 and 0. 7 5 the 25. Now 4 3 the 12. And 5 6 the 30. The length is 6 meters. Okay?
Yes.
That is 40 centimeters. So the length 6 meters.
Now we have to find the perimeter. Because we have to find the cost of fencing.
We have to find the cost of fencing. That it is 50 per meter. So that's why we have to now find the perimeter of the field. Clear?
Okay.
So what is the formula for the perimeter of the field? Rectangular. Field is it is.
That is 2 into L plus B.
Yeah. We have to answer 40 plus
2 into 40 plus 6. 2 into 46.
2 into 46. Now cost of fencing. We have to multiply all of them.
Cost of fencing is 246 into 50.
2 into 50 into 46. So we get 100 into 40.
This becomes 100 into 46. 4600.
RS here. Okay.
Yes.
On the next question.
Area 540 cm square.
I think it's an easy one. Hmm?
Yeah, I think
Area
we
of
have to
the
find
base.
its width.
Yeah,
Length is
540.
already given.
So area is length into breadth, which is equal to
Yeah.
540. Now in place of length, we can write 36 centimeter into breadth is equal to 540. So now the value of the breadth is equal to, breadth is also known as a
Now
width.
L into B is 540. 36 into B is
Now we have to divide by 6.
540.
6 nines are 32,
Now
6 is
36
36.
into B is 540 by 36.
Here,
Yes,
now
yes.
we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter for the rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So we simply write 2 in place of L we write.
So B is 15 cm and perimeter
Now we have to multiply.
2
What is the sum
into
of 36
36
and
plus 15. 2 into
it becomes 102.
51, 102 cm.
Don't say cm, this is centimeter.
Yeah,
Cm is inches.
centimeter. Now 13.
Question number 13. Marble tile need is present. How many tiles will be required to cover a wall? For example, there is a wall. Okay? And all over the wall we have to put the
Yeah.
tiles. Clear? And I have to calculate
Yes.
that wall. Now, the wall of the size 4 meter and 3 meter. So, we can say that length of the wall is 4 meter and the breadth of the wall is 3 meters. Firstly,
Yes.
always length is written, then breadth is written. Okay. Now here, the size of the tiles 12 centimeter and 10 centimeter, but they are in different units. Here they are given in meters, they are given in
Yes.
centimeter.
So we'll convert.
We have to convert them. So, length of wall is equal
So
to 4
length
meters.
is
That is
400
400
centimeter
centimeter. Clear?
and breadth is 3 meter, 300 centimeter.
Now breadth of the wall we simply multiply by 100. It becomes 300 centimeter.
Yeah.
Now length of tile is equal to 12 centimeter. Now breadth of tile is equal to 10 centimeter. So how will you find the number of tiles?
Basically, we'll
Hmm.
do number of tiles. We'll write number of tiles
So we
and
have to take area
we'll
of
do
wall,
400 into 300. Area
area
of
of
wall
wall,
by area of tile,
so which is equals
which becomes
to,
400 into 300 by 12 into 10.
now, we'll see that there. Okay, the 0 will cancel, we can get 30. So we have 1000 tiles. Clear? The cost of the tile, that is cost of one tile is 22. Okay, 0.50.
Yes.
Cost of tile is rupees 20 to 50 paisa
1000 tiles and cost
of one tile.
of one tile is
Cost of 1 tile
22.50 Rs. The
into one
cost
tile.
of 1000 tiles 22.50 into 1000
This is the answer.
2250 Rs.
Just note it down.
Yes,
We are
I
not
noted it. I was
okay.
solving question.
Very good.
From 14.
Now, in the question,
So, perimeter of a rectangle whose area is 600 cm squared and breadth is 25 centimeter. So, we will first find out our length and then calculate the perimeter. Okay, so I'll just
after perimeter, we have to find an area given, that is the reverse one.
yes.
Now, question number 14. Perimeter, we have to find the area of rectangle is given.
Area of rectangle is 600 centimeter square
600. Now, area
and
of
breadth
rectangle
of rectangle
is 25.
is
So
25
we
centimeter.
substitute the
Yes.
value of 25 over here, and we can find the value of length simply by dividing with 600 to 20. So 5 divided by
So length is 600
20,
by 25,
24.
24.
Here, after that
Yes.
we
And
have
now perimeter using our formula will be
to
2 into
length.
length plus breadth. 2L plus B
Yeah.
becomes 224
Yeah. To
plus
sum up
25.
dimensions of the length and the breadth.
We can also use the distributive property here.
There is nothing. Yeah, we can use this data.
Which becomes 249, 2 into 49, which becomes 98 centimeters perimeter.
Yeah. Question number 50 was a new formula. Listen, I haven't told about you this. This is our square. Yeah. And I'm going to tell you what is the diagonal in the square. So for example, this is a square, and all the sides in the square are equal. We learned this in the coordinate class. So when we
Okay.
join the opposite points, then this line is termed as diagonal. Here, and if we if
Yes.
we if we want to find the length of diagonal, just remember this formula. There's a derivation also, but we are little bit small. That was because length of diagonal we have the formula half into diagonal square. This is the formula. So sorry, this is length of diagonal, let it be D. So area is related with diagonal as half of diagonal square. Yes.
Okay.
So
So
now,
area is half of diagonal square.
yeah. Now diagonal is given as 5 under root 2. And also you don't know how to find the value of under root 2. Actually this is a syllabus of higher classes of class 9. But it is given in your textbook, that's why I'm going to tell you.
That is square root of 2.
Yeah. Listen. So we
There's
find
no way.
2 square. Listen, how will we solve this? We write simply half into 5 under root 2 into 5 under root 2. Clear? So it becomes
Okay.
half into 5 into 5. Now 2 times under root 2. Now 2 times under root 2 is there. Its answer is 2. When we multiply under root 2 into under root 2, its answer is 2. If we multiply under root 3 into under root 3, its answer is 2. When we multiply
So when
under
we
root
multiply two roots, we'll get the same
same.
number.
Yeah. These are called the irrational numbers. These it is the
Yeah.
syllabus of higher classes. But it is given in your textbook, that's why I am explaining to you. Yeah. So 2 and 2 gets cut. So area becomes 25 centimeters square. Okay, just note it down.
So area is 25 cm square. Yes. And I'll also write when two square roots are multiplied. Okay.
Then
Yes.
I'm going to explain my questions, okay, of this exercise.
What happened to the screen?
Yes,
The screen just stopped.
okay, I'm sharing this. Yes, visible.
Yes.
Now there are two diagrams. Now what we have to find over here, we have to find the area of the shaded index. Okay, or we have to find the
Okay.
area of all the shaded index. So
Okay.
first is the question for one, first part, that means this one. So here we can break these figures in different rectangle and square. Either we can break from here, either we can break from
So
here.
we have to break them.
Yeah. So I will break from here. 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 Hmm?
Okay.
So now let it be A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Here. Now there are two portions.
Yes.
We have to sum area of A, B, C, D plus area of figure C, E, F, G. Here.
Okay.
Now, in this case, you can see this is 1 meter. This is the breadth.
So area of ABCD is 1 meter into 10 meter.
Yeah, because the length is 10 meter and breadth is 1 meter. So, in order to find, I am writing over here, length is 1 meter and breadth, oh sorry, breadth is 1 meter, yes, and length is 10 meter.
So area
Now for
of
CEFG, what is the length? 8 meter
CEFG is 8 meter by 2 meter.
and breadth is 2 meter. Yes. So now we have to
Yes.
simply multiply because the formula for the area is length into breadth, and here we write 8 into 2. So it becomes 10 plus 16, which is equal
So
to 26.
total area equals 26 m squared.
Now, firstly, I am
And
going
I
for
think we have to break it into what we are comfortable with and not
yeah,
anything.
yeah. Now I'm considering the third figure. Okay. So now you can also break from here. Okay. This is the
Yeah.
first portion. This is the second. And we can now name that A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Clear? Now total area is
Yes.
what? Total area is sum of area of
So total area of the first one is
say this
12
A
into, okay,
and
we
area
have to
of
calculate the breadth here.
yeah B E
That
F
is
G.
9 meter minus 7.5. 1.5 meter is the breadth.
Yeah.
So
Here it
12
is
meter
given.
into,
In this BFG we have length is 9 and breadth is 2 meters. But here in this case we have to calculate.
we have to calculate our breadth.
Yeah. So this is the total length is 12. And
Total length is 12. Our length is 12 minus 10 for ABCD. 10 meter.
listen over here. AE is equal to 12 meter.
Yes.
Here, and AE is equal to, let it be XF,
Yes.
because these are the opposite sides. Now, GF is 2 meter. You can see the picture like this.
Yes.
This is 12, and here it is cut at 2 meters. Okay? So, this is 12, so this is overall is also 12. So, 2 is cut, so we left over with 10.
10. So AB is 10. Our length is 10.
Yeah, so AB is equal
And
to,
our total EF is
and
our
this height,
EF is
and AC is equal to EF
AC is equal to
minus
EF minus,
AG. That
let's
is
say
9 minus
AGB,
7.5.
which is 1.5.
7.5. Yeah, that is 1.5.
So
Yeah.
now we will do 10 into 1.5 plus
So now,
9 into 2,
yeah, 10 into 1.5 plus 9 into 4, we have to find the total area.
which becomes
That is
15 plus 18 meter.
24.2 meters. Clear?
Wait, ma'am, but it is not 9.2. The length and breadth are 9 and 2. So the area is 15 plus 18,
Yeah. 33.
43 meter.
Now, in the second picture, now here the three boxes are there. Hmm?
Yes.
Now, three pictures are there. So, I will break like this, in this. So it becomes convenient for us. Okay? First portion, second portion, and third portion. Here, now area of first portion. Length is equal to 12 meter, breadth is equal to 2 meter. Okay? Now area of third portion. Length is equal to 9 meter and breadth is equal to 1 meter. Okay?
Yeah.
Area of second portion. Now we have
This is going to have some calculation.
yeah, for the length, this is the length only. This is. Now here, if we see 2 meters are goes over here, 1 meter goes over here.
2
We have to
meters
add
and 1 meter is cut.
that is 3.
So
That is
3
3.
meters are cut in total.
Yeah, 10 minus 3. That means we
So
have
10 minus 3. Length is 7.
now
And then the breadth also needs calculation.
this is 12. Okay,
This is 12.
and this is 7.5. Yes, either we
7.5.
take we go for 9 and 7.5.
No, I think 9. Yes, so that
The
is
breadth
9
is
into 7.5
9 minus 7.5.
becomes 1.5.
Yes, the breadth becomes 1.5. So now
That
its area,
becomes
now
7
its area
into 1.5.
12 into 2, their area is
12
9
into 2, 9 into 1, 7 into 1.5.
After solving, you have to add up all of them.
That is 24 meter square, 9 meter square, and 7 plus 1.5. That is, yeah, 10.5 meter square.
Now total area we have to find.
That is 43.5.
now we have the original question is left. Now these are two more complicated figures. Okay, let's start.
My God, they've given so complicated figures.
Yeah,
All measures are in cm.
yeah. Yes, absolutely. Now, here the boxes are given to us. This is first box, this is second box, third box, and fourth box. Easy? Hmm?
Okay.
Area of first box. So, length is equal to, this is overall 4, and breadth is equal
Okay.
to centimeter. Clear?
Centimeter.
Now, area of second
So
figure.
area of 2.
Firstly, write length and breadth, all the dimensions for the second one. Length is 3.
Yes, and
And
breadth
this,
is 2 centimeters.
and area of third figure.
Area of 3 needs some calculation.
Now, what is the length? This is 2, and
2
this is
centimeters,
equal to this.
3 centimeters. So that's 5 centimeters.
And
And the breadth will be
this is
1
overall,
centimeter.
overall 4. One is cut over here, 2 is cut over
2
here.
is cut over there, so that leaves 1 centimeter.
Area of fourth figure.
This one has its own story.
This is simply the 3 and 3.
3 into 3. Length is 3 centimeter and breadth is
So
3 centimeter.
this method is easy. That firstly you find the dimensions of each block.
Yeah, because otherwise you will be stuck there for years.
Yeah.
So 4 that's 8 centimeter squared, 6 centimeter squared, 5 centimeter squared, and 9 centimeter squared.
What is the total area?
Total area is 8 plus 6, 14 plus 5, 19 plus 9, 28 centimeter square.
Done?
Yes.
Second question I think you can do.
Yeah, because the dimensions are the same everywhere. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So we'll just divide it into squares. 6 into 6, 6 into 6, 6 into 6, 6 into 6.
3 is
That is
square.
36. I think that is
You can also divide like this.
5 squares. That is 5 into 36. That is 180 centimeter square.
Yeah, there's one more way. So area of one box, 6 into 6. That is correct.
Then area of
5 boxes.
5 boxes is
Because of all the
36
dimensions.
into 5. 180 centimeter square.
So now these pictures
Yes.
are so tough.
Now we have a rectangle front. Where did it screen flip?
Okay. This is 5. And what is the breadth?
This is 5.
Yes.
The breadth. See, we are cutting off 2 from both the side,
That is 1.
and total is 3, so breadth is 1. 5 into 1.
This picture. And second, then third.
Yes. So
Area of
for
first.
1, area of 1 is 5 into 1. Area of 2 and 3 is same because the dimensions are same. So it becomes 2 into 1 and 2 into 1 each. Becomes 5 centimeter squared plus 2 centimeter squared plus 2 centimeter squared.
That is
Which becomes 5 plus 4, 9 centimeter squared.
the whole lesson area on parameter is closed now. Yeah.
Yes.
Last exercise of that. Okay. Now it's easy for you. You speak out and I will write.
So sides of rectangle are in ratio 7:5 and perimeter is 96 centimeter. Length of rectangle. So let the length be 7x and breadth be 5x. So 2 into 7x plus 5x is 96. Which becomes 2 into 12x is 96. That is 24x is 96. So x is 96. And now our length is 7 into 428. Breadth is 5 into 428.
So option number
Option number B.
take this part.
So area of rectangle is 650 centimeter square. And breadth is 13 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter.
So what is the area formula? Length into breadth. So what is the value of length?
So
13
L
5
is 50 centimeter.
now perimeter.
2 into L was 2. 2 into 50 plus 30. 2 into 63. 126 centimeter.
Three options. The cost of pencil we have to find. In order to find the cost of
Now,
pencil, find the perimeter of the thing. Whenever there is a cost
so
of
that
pencil,
is perimeter into cost per meter.
yeah.
That is 2 into 34 plus 800 meters. 2 into 52 meters. 2 into 52 is 104 meters. And the cost is 104 into 22.5.
Now you have to multiply and tell me the answer. 2
Yeah, 104.
multiply.
Yes, I am doing. 2340.
Okay.
Yes.
Angular field at is 2400. So perimeter of the field is, we have to divide
Perimeter will be 2400 by 30.
across per meter. It is equal to 2400 divided by 30. So it becomes 80. Now formula for the perimeter is 2 length
2
plus,
into L plus B.
so it is 80. It is 2. Length of the field is given
Our
as
breadth is unknown.
yeah, breadth is
24 plus B, which becomes 80, is 80 by 2 is 24 plus B. 40 is 24 plus B. B is 40 minus 24. So B is 60.
breadth is 16. Sorry, 16. Okay. Now question number 5. Area of the field is given to us. It is 120 meters square. And perimeter is given to us 46 meters. And we have to
How do you
find,
calculate the diagonal?
listen, I'm going to solve this. Now we know that the formula area is equal to half of diagonal square.
Yeah.
If we simply write 120 equal to 1 by 2 diagonal square. So it becomes 240.
Is diagonal square.
Wait. No, this is the relation for the area of a square, not the rectangle. So this formula cannot
Next
be used
is
for square.
for
Listen,
direction.
listen, I'm going to explain you. Area, listen attentively. Keep it there. This is a new format. So 120 is equal to length into breadth. Now perimeter we have 46. So that is 2 L plus B, we have 36. It is L plus B, we have what is by 2, that is 23. So length can be taken as 23 minus 3. You want to see
Yeah. Length is not given. Breadth is not given. Perimeter is given.
Listen. This is our length, this is our breadth, and this is your diagonal. Now there's a relationship which is known as, we got from the relationship from the Pythagoras theorem. It was nothing of course, but I'm going to explain it. There's a relationship in between all three, and that relationship is diagonal square is equal to length square plus breadth square. Okay, this is the relationship. So Or you can also use a formula. Length plus breadth whole square is equal to L square. This is an algebra. Why this question was there, I am not able to understand. This is a formula of algebra.
Pythagoras theorem, I never even get a word of it.
Yeah, listen, just leave it. This is the formula for algebra. Okay? This is the
Yeah.
formula of algebra. Now we have L plus B 23. Yes? So we substitute L plus B 23 over here, which is equal to L square plus B square minus, in place of length into breadth, we substitute 120 into 2. These three formulas are out of syllabus, but it is given in textbook, so that's why I am going to explain it. Now square of the 23, this is 23 into 23. It is a 9, it is a 6. It is a 6, it is a 4. So 529. Now this is minus this, so this becomes plus 12 to the 25. Then we should put over here. Okay? This is minus, then put over here becomes plus. 9, 6, 7. L square plus
Is L square plus B square. Why is this question even given?
it's out of syllabus formulas. Now, there's a Pythagoras theorem relationship between L square plus B square is equal to diagonal square. The diagonal square is equal to 769. This question is just because we are
I
safe.
can't understand anything.
But these are some new formulas. But they are out of syllabus. Listen, I'm going to explain you again. Before solving
They are
this
much out of my understanding.
Yeah, listen. Before solving this question, you have to remember two things. Only things. Here, you should study later in other classes. There is a relationship of algebra. There is a formula. X plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2x. We can convert x is equal to n and y is equal to 2. So it becomes L plus B whole square, which is equal to L square plus B square plus 2L. So remember this formula. Now there's a relationship known as Pythagoras relationship. I'm not going in detail, but I'm just giving you a glimpse of that. Now, for example, this is L, this is B, and this is that. So there's a relationship between them, but we have to select length square or breadth square, which is equal to diagonals. So these are the two relationships which are going to be used in this question. Now in this question that is given to you, area is equal to 100 meters and perimeter is equal to
46.
so now perimeter we know the formula to length plus breadth, which is equal to 46. The value of length plus breadth is equal to 46 by 2, that is 20.
23.
And length into breadth, which is equal to 100 meters. Yeah? Now we
Okay.
substitute both of these values in this equation. L plus B whole square is equal to L square plus B square plus 2L. Now in place of L square plus B square, L plus B, we substitute the 23. And L square plus B square, we substitute B square, diagonal square. And 2 into LB, 2 into 120. Okay? This one LB is 2 3 is 9, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 4. Is it 9?
So diagonal square plus 240 is 529.
The diagonal square is 3. It is 9. 280. The diagonal square is equal to 289. So if we find the square root of 289, we get 17. That means if we multiply 17 with 17, we get 2. Clear?
So that is the number we were running for 10 minutes.
Yeah. Actually, please note it down everything because I introduce new things. And at 12, I will meet with I will start data handling, and when the time is left, I will do the objective question.
L squared plus B squared.
Just note it
B
down.
squared. Yeah, I'm gonna write L squared plus B squared plus B diagonal squared, and x plus y squared is x squared plus y squared 2xy, and we can substitute the values. Let's say and L plus B squared is d squared plus 2lb, which becomes 23 squared d squared plus 240 529 d squared plus 240, and d squared is 529.
You have noted?
No, just a second. And d squared is 289. So
After that,
d squared
can
is
do
17 into 17, and d is 17. My God,
Okay.
is this college level question?
No, 10th level question.